Welcome to my channel, thecorrectcode.com. uh, Today we are going to learn how to add the slides in the Ionic. Okay, so like slides are very slides plays very crucial role in Ionic. If you observe, if you install any application, okay, you will have an explanation, right? When you install any app, there will be a slideshow where you can describe about your app and explain the features about your app. So how now let's get into the topic and how to add Ionic slides in the uh, code. Okay, let's get started. So first get the core and go to home page, and inside the project Ion slides. It is very simple, guys. Ion slide h3 image src. You can add image, you can add headings, you can add paragraphs. Okay, so let's have one paragraph tag. Okay, for the image let's use this text placeholder. As of now I am using the, for image I am using the placeholder. Okay, let's welcome. This is paragraph. Okay, so let's copy this and paste. Let's save it and check how it comes. See, it came, right? If you scroll, it's getting scrolling. So image is sliding, right? If you can observe, right? Image is sliding. So now we will add some styles over here to look better. Okay, in Ionic slides we can pass some options actually. Okay, so there are many options. We can use different uses. So there is a pager. If pager equal to true, okay, we will use pager. Pager equal to true. Okay, and let's add some styles here. Okay, let's add some styles over here. Let's add slides here. Ion hyphen slide. Okay, what are we missing? Hash. Display flex. Flex direction, column, width, %. Let's make it height 100%. Okay, so let's save it, and we can also mention ion icon slide equal to color blue. Save it and get into this app. Okay, but still there is an issue. Okay, so here we have to see the pager, right? What is the issue? Save it and see the result. Okay, you can see, right? I just mentioned id, so instead of passing class, okay, you don't add hash. Okay, so to make it even, this is not as a center, right? It's looking, it went to top, so let's make it center. So to make the center, we need to add one more class here. Okay, ion slides, ion slides height equal to 100%. Now you can see, so text came to the center, right? So we have got the pager and we have got the image and we have the heading. So like this you can add whatever options you want. Even you can add the button also. For example, in the last ion button, proceed to home page, save it. Okay, see, you can see the pager, right? You can see the pager now, right? Just click, see, proceed to home page. So in the last slide you can add a banner like this. Okay, so this is about adding slides to the Ionic. There are many options, you can work on it, you can add whatever you want, so that will be easy for you. Here in this website they have mentioned many things, they have scroll, they have events. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you understood the tutorial of Ionic slides. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comments, so that I will get back to you, and I will also add the source code in the description, so you can download it. Okay, thank you.